Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Git deployment information so you can sync your plugins or themes from GitHub. There are tremendous benefits for having such an automation because it's going to save you so much time. We're going to cover that in a future video. The steps are 4. Configure the deployment information, test to make sure that that staging site is able to pull from GitHub. The third step is to configure a webhook. And fourth one is to activate the plugin or theme. The last two steps are usually one time. I'm gonna pick a site. I'm gonna click on more, then git deploy. The first thing is to enter the repository URL. I'm going to switch to the other tab to my project, git clone, and then copy to clipboard. Actually, I'm gonna use HTTPS and copy. I'm going to right click and paste. As you can see here, the target folder got populated automatically as soon as I pasted the URL, which is what you want. And then if it's a plugin, then select plugins. For base folder, if it's a theme, then select themes. This specific project is public and open source, so there's no need for password to execute git pull or clone. But in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how you can use the private and public key authentication. qSandbox make it super easy. You can just click generate, and it's gonna generate the necessary keys. You can copy those, and qSandbox has detected that it's a GitHub project, so it's going to provide you a link that directly sends you to the area where you can put those deploy keys. Let's do that. You can click on add deploy key. Right click and paste. You can put some description. For now, you don't need to allow write access because the information will be pulled. Add key. You may be prompted to enter your password. Okay, let's go back just to verify, just to make sure everything is working. Okay, everything is good. And we can click on save. Okay, so we have saved that configuration. This is the last step is to set up the webhook. But before we do that, we want to make sure that qSandbox is able to authenticate against GitHub. To do that, we need to click on test. And here you can see that the project has been successfully cloned, which is good, in the right folder. That means everything is working. And we need to set up a webhook. Again, that webhook link points directly to that project's webhook area. Let's go there. So we need to copy this. That's a global webhook, which is very convenient because that way when that URL is called, it's going to synchronize all the plugins and themes that are under that account. Let's add a webhook and just push event and add webhook. Let's go back. The last step is to activate the plugin or the theme from that site. Close this window and go to admin and plugins, since that was a plugin, and activate. Right? That way you have the plugin activated and it will get synchronized as soon as one from the team executes git push. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let us know. Bye.